What happens when a routine display practice turns into a tragic event? In the case of the Royal Malaysian Navy, the answer is a devastating helicopter collision that claimed the lives of 10 crew members. In anticipation of their 90th anniversary celebration, preparations were underway at the naval base in northern Perak State. The event was meant to be a joyous occasion, a time to commemorate and reflect on the Navy's long-standing history. The festivities were to include a flying display routine involving two of their helicopters, an Airbus Helicopters H-125 Fennec and a Leonardo Helicopters AW-139. However, what was meant to be a spectacle of precision and skill quickly turned into a scene of chaos and loss. During the practice session, the AW-139 veered sideways and clipped the rotor of the H-125. Both helicopters crashed to the ground, leaving no survivors. The victims were 3 women and 7 men aged between 26 and 41. The repercussions were immediate. The Prime Minister expressed condolences and launched an immediate investigation into the cause of the crash. The much-anticipated 90th anniversary celebration was cancelled, replaced instead with Friday prayers held in memory of the victims. The aftermath of this tragic event has left the nation in mourning. The loss of these 10 individuals is a stark reminder of the risks that come with service. As investigations continue, the hope is to find answers that may prevent future incidents of this nature. In summary, what began as a routine practice for a celebratory event ended in a tragic accident. 10 lives were lost in a helicopter collision during preparations for the Royal Malaysian Navy's 90th anniversary celebration. As a nation mourns, the search for answers continues. It's a stark reminder of the thin line between routine and tragedy, celebration and mourning. But it's also a testament to the bravery of those who serve, making the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty.